Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dream Academy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make use of LUTs in your video to make your video look more cinematic and make it look more professional. So we're going to continue. In this place, we had no LUTs, yeah, but we did color grading and the rest of them. But we have LUTs. There are two ways of making use of LUTs. You can make use of LUTs in this place. So let's come here. You can click on your video. Then after that, you will come to under the basic. We have list here. So this is LUT. So this LUT shows that you don't have a LUT here. So what are we going to do? You can go to your Chrome and download free LUTs for cinematic video. Go to your Chrome, you download it, just search like that, and you will download them. So I've actually downloaded mine. Then I would come here and I will import my LUTs. These are all the LUTs I downloaded. So I'm going to import everything. So while it is importing, you people might be wondering like, okay, what is the meaning of LUT? What does LUT means? The full meaning of LUT is lookup tables. L stands for look, U stands for up, and T stands for tables. So what does it mean initially? Lookup tables are used in video editing and photography to change colors in videos and images via a mathematical formula or a color filter like that by tweaking colors probably. And within the lookup table, there are a list of colors which accounts for every color within a specific image or frame. The LUTs act as an image filter by color grading the image or video to create more consistent color tones throughout. So that is how LUT works. So instead of you doing all those adjustments and everything, you can make use of LUT. So now that we have LUT exported in our file, I can come here, I can select LUT. So it is showing me different type of, can you see, we have a lot of LUTs in this place. So if I pick this one, this is telling me, okay, we can make use of this or this. We have different colors. So this is like waves, lush green, creeps, blue, orange. We have different type of LUT. So you can pick on one and apply to all. So let's play this out and you will see. Can you see it has applied to all, but probably this color might not work. We can change our LUT. Let's see how this lush green will go, or orange, apply to all. There is a different, so I will probably delete this one. So we made use of some different, just for us to see how our LUT, or probably we can delete it here. Then we can reselect them again. So we'll come here, you go to your media. Let's go to our media. Let's select this one. So now we can apply our LUT on this one now. So we'll come here, you select LUT. We can use the green, okay, this is green. This is the wave, crisp. We can use the blue, and we can also make use of orange. So there are different types, but you just have to check the one that fits into your video. If you want a full black LUT, so this is it. This helps it. Or we have different types of LUTs. I think I'll prefer this. This makes it look quite good. But the thing is, you can also tweak your LUTs. In this place, you have to come here. You see where we have adjustments here? You can just select your LUTs. Let's firstly remove LUTs that were selected in this place. Perhaps we don't want any LUTs, none. But we can select it here and drag it. So this one helps us to adjust it. So you can now come here, click on your LUTs, then you can adjust your LUT. If you want it to be intense, how intense you want it to be, you can reduce the intensity. Then you can adjust the color as well. Let's tweak this a little bit. If you want it tinted, probably you can just leave it like this. And let's see the saturation. Okay, wait, I feel like the saturation is okay. Then we can come to the lightness. We want it to be exposed. No, it's okay like this. Contrast is still fair like this. And so you can adjust your LUTs. You can tweak it to how you want it to be. You can always adjust your LUTs, and you can sharpen it. If you want the clarity to be full, you can sharpen it as well. No, so let's reduce this. So you can just play around LUT, and there are different types of LUT. You can make use of this LUT to probably you can turn this off and see how this LUT works. So we have different type of LUT. So if you want to use it, it helps you in making your video look good. Instead of you going to adjustment and start tweaking everything, LUT helps your work look professional and okay. We can use the orange perhaps. And there are different types of, if you are still not comfortable with this LUT that you got, you can go and download more LUTs to make it look better. I hope you understand everything I've taught you so far. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Techizred Academy. See you next time. Bye.